Fáilte Rash, welcome back to our Everyday Gaeilge weekly mini lesson. I am recording this right before Lá na Mórcha, Mother's Day, so we're going to look at how to say Happy Mother's Day in Irish as Gaeilge. We're going to look at two ways that closely resemble how you would say Happy Christmas, Happy Birthday, all of the happy blessings that you wish on other people. And just a reminder that if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, you can do so down in the description. We do free weekly Irish mini lessons like this, gach seachtain, every week, but we also do some freebies for the kids as well, some fun workbooks that they can enjoy as Gaeilge in Irish. So Ireland, on we go. Happy Mother's Day in Irish, one way to say it is Lá na Mórcha Sunna Duts. Lá na Mórcha Sunna Duts. Lá na Mórcha Sunna Duts. Happy Mother's Day. So Lá is day, Lá na Mórcha is Mother's Day. This is the plural, but it's also na Tuiscindach, although the plural and Tuiscindach happen to be the same, but you don't have to worry about that. No, bach leishin. Don't worry about that if you don't want to. So Lá na Mórcha, Mother's Day, Sunna Duts. Happy for you. Agus an sin, bailach ella, just another way, is Lá na Mórcha Faoi Washa. Faoi Washa. Faoi Washa Duts. Happy Mother's Day. Cílíonn sé an rud céine, it means exactly the same thing. Agus sin that's it. Tá sé chomhthéasca sin. It's that easy. Go raibh míle maith. Thank you so much again for tuning in for another weekly Gaeilge mini lesson. Agus feic mé an seachtain se thugan. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.